All right, so today we're going to go in a slightly different direction. We're going to talk about what is being dubbed a cruise-like experience, something brand new from the folks over at Disney. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So a cruise-like experience, well, what are we talking about? We are talking about a brand new resort over in Disney World in Orlando, Florida, that is scheduled to be open in the spring of 2022. And that hotel is the Star Wars Galactic Cruiser. So here is the premise. You are going to board a starship from the Star Wars universe, where you're going to spend 2 nights on board this Star Cruiser, fully immersed inside the Star Wars universe. Now, you will have an excursion, which case you will leave the Star Cruiser and come down to the planet of Batuu, which will be located in Disney's Hollywood Studios. So in Disney's Hollywood Studios, they have the Star Wars experience, and that is, of course, is the outpost of Batuu, and that is where your excursion is going to be. And why they say this is going to be a cruise-like experience, because like I said, you're going to go in the hotel. The hotel is completely decorated just like you're on board a spaceship. All of the activities are Star Wars related activities. There's a lightsaber training academy, different quests and missions that you can do on board the ship. And even your room is dedicated just like you're on the spaceship. You look out the window of your room and you're going to see outer space. All right, so for some of the specifics, so Disney is definitely defining this as a cruise-like experience where your room, the food, and the entertainment is all included in the price. So what they're saying is included is a complete immersive, ongoing and interactive entertainment during your time on board the ship. All food and drink, excluding alcohol and specialty beverages, is included. And a quick service meal while you are in Hollywood Studios is also included in the price of your cruise. You get 1 admission per person into Disney's Hollywood Studios. Valet parking is included. And you get a special Galactic Starcruiser data band, which is basically a magic band that has been designed specifically for this attraction. So there will be 1 main dining room aboard the ship, and that will be known as the Crown of Corella, which comes with entertainment and a distinctive dining menu. And I'm going to be putting the pictures up of some of the concept art and some of the concept food as we go along through this video, so you can take a look what I'm talking about. Specifically right here, what they are calling the blue shrimp. There will also be a captain's table experience in that main dining room, but that will come at an additional fee. So there are going to be 100 cabins inside the ship in 3 distinct different categories. There is going to be the standard room category, the Galaxy Class Suite, and the Grand Captain's Suite. All right, so in your standard cabin, each standard cabin is fitted with furnishings and fixtures designed to ensure comfort while traveling throughout the galaxy, including a pull-out table and a TV with entertainment from your home planet and a window with a view into space. All right, sleeps 4 to 5 passengers. Room configuration is a queen bed, 2 berths or bunk beds for 1 adult each, and a wall pull-down bed for 1 adult if sleeping 5 people. Cabin includes a mini fridge, a hair dryer, an in-cabin safe, phone with voicemail messaging, interactive TV, and the H2O Plus products that Disney is, of course, known for. And of course, we have a couple of pictures of some, like I said, some concept art as to what these rooms would be looking like. And they have designed this room to look like you are on a spaceship. All right, the Galaxy Class Suite is a 1-bedroom Galaxy Class Suite featuring a living space complete with an integrated seating area and have all of the comforts of the standard cabin, plus a double vanity bathroom, a bar area, 2 windows with views out into space, and a few extra Star Wars surprises. Now this sleeps 4 passengers, has a queen bed and 2 wall pull-down beds for 1 adult each, and it has the same cabin amenities that a standard cabin has. I said, looking at these pictures, I mean, it definitely is going to be distinctive. It definitely is going to be an immersive type of experience, and they look like you are kind of on a starship. So I think it's going to be, at least real entertaining, especially if you are a Star Wars fan. All right, the Grand Captain Suite is a 2-bedroom suite offering ample room for the whole family and features a posh living space complete with an integrated seating area. It has all of the comforts of the standard cabin, plus a main suite with a double vanity bathroom, a second bathroom with a single vanity, a bar area, 3 windows with views out into space, and a few extra Star Wars surprises. Now this one sleeps 8 passengers with 2 queen beds, 2 berths or bunk beds for 1 adult each, and 2 wall pull-down beds for 1 adult each, and the same cabin amenities as the other 2 suites as well. Let's see, in this picture here, it even looks like the doors are going to slide, side to side, kind of like pocket doors, like they do on the spaceships versus, opening like a regular door does at home or on a regular cruise ship. All right, so that all sounds good. It all sounds great. It sounds like it could be a ton of fun, and this is one of the times where Disney wants you to dress up. If you have a Star Wars costume or you've got a Stormtrooper costume hidden in the back of your closet, this is the one time where you can wear a full costume at Disney, and they completely encourage you to do so. They say the experience will be more interactive if you are dressed as one of the characters, but that is not a requirement, but it is an option that you normally don't get in Disney World. But while all that sounds great and all that sounds fun, there is a little bit here that I think is a downside, and that's gonna be the price. Because it comes with a pretty hefty price tag for only a 2-night visit. We are talking anywhere between $749 to $1,209 per person per night. So just 2 people staying there together in a room can cost around $4,000 for just 2 nights. And unless you are an absolute Star Wars fan, this is more like a once-in-a-lifetime thing, a check it off your bucket list item, because that price tag's kind of hard to swallow. It's rough. It's pretty high. I mean, for that price, you can get some regular sea voyages in, more than one with 2 people, easily, for what you're getting for that price. So you would have to be a true Star Wars fan. You would have to be the person that has a Stormtrooper costume or a Jedi costume in the back of your closet in order to take advantage of this. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Is this something that you would be interested in? Is this something that you would look into if you were a good, true Star Wars fan? Would you pull your lightsaber out of the closet and get ready to go? Let me know what you think below. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, let's give it 2 thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you in outer space.